How to reset a WordPress admin account from database. If you have ever lost or forgotten your password to access the WordPress dashboard, it can be very frustrating. WordPress provides quite a few options to reset or change your WordPress password. I will show you a way to reset the password using the cPanel. So first of all, open your browser and enter into your cPanel account. Write your domain /cPanel. Write your username and password and click Login. On a cPanel account, you can have multiple databases. So just to be sure we are doing the correct changes on the correct database, we will need to check the exact name. If you have only one database, you do not need to do this. Click on File Manager. Go to the path of your WordPress install. This is usually on public_HTML, but it can be a different path. Here, find the file wp-line-config.php. Right-click the file and from the menu, click on Edit. On this new editor, you will have the database name. Find the line that starts like in the text from the screen. The name of the database is this. Now we can close the file because we have the name. Now click on PHPMyAdmin. Click on the database name you have seen on the config file. You will see here lots of tables. Usually every table on this database will start with a prefix. You see that in my case the prefix is WP3E underline. On your database can be a different prefix. To find the table, you will need to look at the starting prefix and the word users. You see I have it here. Click on the Browse button or on the name. You will see the content of the table. Find here your admin user. You see I have only one record, but if you have lots of records, you have a button called Search on the top. Click it and write on user_login field the user you log in. You can also use the email to search on the field user_email. After you find the record, just click on the Edit button. Here on user_pass row, write your new password. Delete the text you have here and write a password. On this row you have a selector. Select from this the function MD5. Then click Go. You see that on the user_pass field your password has been encrypted. Now go on the administration panel. Write your domain /wp-admin. Write your username and your new password. You will be able to log in now. You have now reset the admin password from the database. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.